Namaskar. A warm welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel CA Sansar. Myself CA Vivek Khurana, and today we will discuss on recent clarification by the Ministry of MSME on Udyam registration. So before going to start, my request to all of you, please subscribe to your YouTube channel CA Sansar and also press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new video or regarding the new webinar, you will get it through the notification. So on 6th August 2020, Ministry of MSME had issued a clarification on new Udyam registration on 26 June 2020. Ministry of MSME had issued a notification, this notification regarding the classification of MSME, revised classification of MSME. We have already discussed on that. हमने एक वीडियो भी बनाया था. It's also uploaded on the CA Sansar YouTube channel. आप देख सकते हैं regarding the classification of enterprises becoming a small and micro, small and medium enterprises, composite criteria, calculation of investment. These 9 points we have already discussed. So there were some confusion was there regarding the Udyam registration, and on 2nd July, RBI had issued a circular regarding the classification of MSME. Then many representation has been received by the Ministry of MSME. So they had issued a office memorandum. Through this office memorandum, they have clarified certain things जिसका कुछ confusion था on 6th August 2020. So that we will discuss step by step. First was validity of EM Part 2 and UAM, Udyam Udyog Aadhaar Memorandum, as issued till 30th June 2020. Then another clarification on editing, updating of the existing registration detail. Then next is action to be taken before 31st March 2021 by the entrepreneurs. The next is, this is very important, value of plant and machinery or the equipment. Then they have clarified about the RBI circular, which I told you RBI has issued on 2nd July. Then some miscellaneous point. So let's discuss. First is validity of EM Part 2 and UAM as issued till 30th June. Means there was some confusion कि if already somebody registered under MSME like EM Part 2 या किसी ने उद्योग आधार registration करा रखा है, तो whether this is valid or not. So they have already clarified in 26 June notification that this is valid up to 31st March 2021. पहले से clarified है कि आपने अगर कोई registration करवा रखा है, either it's a EM Part 2 registration and UAM, Udyog Aadhaar Memorandum. So they have clarified that the existing enterprises registered prior to 30th June shall continue to be valid only for a period up to 31st March 2021. Means अगर आपने registration दोबारा नहीं करवाया 1st July से, तो you must register. It's not like that if you already registered up to 30th June, आपने registration नहीं कराया, then this is valid up to 31st March 2021 only. Then next, editing, updating of the existing registration details. Means if किसी ने अगर registration करवा रखा है, वहां पे उनका पैन नंबर मेंशन नहीं है या आधार नंबर मेंशन नहीं है, means you have not updated your PAN detail or the Aadhaar detail, then now you can do it. Before 31st March 2021, you can edit and you can submit your detail. This is the another clarification by the Ministry of MSME. Then the next clarification, this is also important, action to be taken before 31st March 2021. Means as they already told कि जो आपका पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन हुआ है EM Part 2 में और एंड यूएम मींस अगर किसी ने ईएम पार्ट 2 से यूएम में रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा लिया या यूएम में रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करवाया, then this is valid up to 31st March 2021. After that this is not valid. It means अगर आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाया है और 1 जुलाई को अगेन रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करवाया, then it means your validation are only up to 31st March 2021. After that it's not remain valid. So अगर आपने अभी तक रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करवाया तो यू मस्ट गो टू द udyamregistration.gov.in एंड डू द फ्रेश रजिस्ट्रेशन. आप दोबारा से रजिस्ट्रेशन कराओ. अगर आपने यूएम करवाया हुआ है पहले, अगर आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन यूएम में है या ईएम पार्ट 2 में है, देन यू मस्ट डू इट अगेन. आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना पड़ेगा ऑन द उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन पोर्टल एंड they have already clarified. इसको पहले भी clarified कर दिया है. Again they have clarified all enterprises registered till 30th June 2020 shall be reclassified in accordance with this notification. To make this reclassification proper and realistic, it is necessary that submit the latest detail. And next, it's clarified. It is preferably that entrepreneur file new registration in the Udyam registration portal. Therefore, all enterprises with EM Part 2 and or UM are advised to register themselves on Udyam registration before 31st March 2021 in the Udyam registration portal. So, they have already clarified, again clarified, कि जो भी existing enterprises which are registered into the EM Part 2 or the उद्योग आधार मेमोरेंडम, उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन वैलिड ओनली 31st मार्च 2021 तक है अगर वो दोबारा से रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं करवाते. सो यू हैव टू गो फॉर द फ्रेश रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दिस न्यू रजिस्ट्रेशन. We have already told you in our previous video that now every year they will check your classification, whether it's a micro, small or medium. That we have already discussed. You can check it out from our previous videos. Then next is value of plant and machinery or the equipment. This is very important clarification because many confusion was there. Which is the cost of plant and machinery or the equipment? Now from this clarification they have removed all the doubts. जितने भी doubts थे सारे they have cleared it out. First is there are clarifications sought by the entrepreneurs regarding valuation of plant and machinery or the equipment on the cost or purchase price by file the Udyam registration. Means ये हमेशा से confusion था which price should be taken, whether the original cost price or the WDV, because into the RBI circular they said कि we should take the original cost price. अगर आपकी प्लांट एंड मशीनरी है या इक्विपमेंट है, इट्स द ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट प्राइस. बट इन दिस क्लैरिफिकेशन दे हैव टोटली चेंज. दे सेड पैरा 3 ऑफ क्लोज 4 notification number SO2119E dated 26 June 2020 read as follows: the expression plant and machinery or equipment of the enterprises shall have the same meaning as assigned to the plant and machinery in the income tax rule framed under Income Tax Act 1961 and shall include all tangible assets other than land and building, furniture and fittings. This is we have already discussed regarding the notification dated 26 June 2020 where they said what's the meaning of plant and machinery, what's the meaning of equipment. It's the same meaning as per Income Tax Rules 1962. Now they said it is clarified that online form of Udyam registration captured depreciated cost as on 31st March each year of the relevant previous year. Therefore, the value of plant and machinery or the equipment for all the purpose of the notification number SO2119E dated 26 June 2020 and for all the enterprises shall mean the WDV, written down value as the end of financial year as defined in Income Tax Act and note the cost of acquisition or the original price which was applicable in context of the earlier clarification criteria. जो पहले क्लैरिफिकेशन थी, जो पहले एक्सप्लेनेशन दी थी एमएसएमई ने बिफोर दिस 26 जून नोटिफिकेशन, एट दैट टाइम वैल्यू ऑफ cost of plant and machinery and equipment was the original price, but now they bring the concept of depreciated value, WDV, written down value of every on 31st March of the relevant previous year. तो अब ऑटोमेटिकली वहां पे भी अगर आप उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन में जाते हैं, then you don't have the option to submit the value cost of the plant and machinery or the equipment. They are saying it's clubbed with the income tax website. तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो आपकी जो भी डेप्रिशिएटेड वैल्यू है एवरी ईयर दे विल पिक इट आउट. एंड रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, नाउ द क्राइटेरिया इट्स द कंपोजिट क्राइटेरिया, मींस इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड टर्नओवर. आपको दोनों देखना है कि फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ माइक्रो, स्मॉल एंड मीडियम, कि वेदर बोथ द क्राइटेरिया आर फुलफिल्ड और नॉट. कि फॉर माइक्रो what's the investment and what's the turnover, for small and for the medium. So this is very very important clarification for the purpose of value of plant and machinery and the equipment or the equipment. So WDV will be taken. उद्यम आप वहां पे जाएंगे उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन पोर्टल पे, then automatically it will pick the WDV. Clear? Then next is RBI circular. जो RBI ने 2 जुलाई 2020 को सर्कुलर इशू किया था, उसके लिए मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एमएसएमई सेड इन द लाइट ऑफ अबव जो क्लैरिफिकेशन दी है, आरबीआई इज बीइंग रिक्वेस्टेड टू रिविजिट देयर सर्कुलर. जो सर्कुलर उन्होंने 2 जुलाई को इशू किया था उसको दोबारा से इशू करे या रिविजिट देयर सर्कुलर. क्या सा सर्कुलर? दिस वाज द सर्कुलर ऑन 2 जुलाई 2020. आरबीआई हैज इशूड ए सर्कुलर. उसमें they have clarified certain things like classification of enterprises, what's the composite criteria, investment and turnover for classification, then how to calculate investment. जो RBI is saying it's the original cost price, but now Ministry of MSME is saying no, it's the WDV. Then next was calculation of turnover. So from this they said now RBI is requested to revisit their circular. Then next point is miscellaneous. This is also clarified that registration, जो भी आपका उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन है, this is only through the government portal. Government has not authorized anyone, किसी को ऑथराइज नहीं किया for उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन, and this is free of cost. कोई रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस नहीं है except professional fees. So this is also clarified. Udyam registration portal, udyamregistration.gov.in. So this was regarding the latest clarification by the Ministry of MSME on certain points regarding Udyam registration and the notification earlier issued by the Ministry of MSME. So thank you very much, and once again my request to all of you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you.